Do you know what this is? This is a Splendies unboxing. Here we go. Get ready. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate you so very much. Here is Splendies for September 2020. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys. These are so freaking cute. How do they keep doing this? How do they make big girl underwear look so cute? Thank you, Splendies. Okay, first one is teal. Look at the back. Are you kidding me right now? That is gorgeous. That is going to look amazing on my tushy. Next, we have this really cute pink crisscross. How cute is that? With a lace leg trim. And then this one, I really like this pattern. And there's no sewn in seams. There's no seams. Well, that's not true. There's a seam on each side, but the legs are just like solid, all one piece. It's like just a piece of cut fabric. There's nothing to irritate you at all. These are beautiful. I love this pattern. I love the flowers. They're gorgeous. Way to go, Splendies. September 2020. Very good job. Thank you for joining me.